As you can see, I've damaged my side step, so I'm going to have to repair it. You might want to remove your side steps because you want to put on aftermarket ones, or you need to repair them as well. So in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the side steps and put the bolts back in. So the only tools you're going to need for this job is a pile of bricks, a ratchet, an extension and a 13mm socket. This is a super simple job that just about anyone can do. So let's get to it. What you want to do is just set up your bricks so that way when you undo the bolts you can slightly lower the side step onto the bricks, so that way it's not going to drop down completely and you've still got a little bit of weight control. In total under the car there's 6 bolts on 3 brackets. There's 1 bracket at the front, 1 bracket at the middle and 1 bracket at the back. I'm going to be taking the bolts out that are attached to the body and leaving the brackets on the steps. You can see now that I've undone the back bracket and the middle bracket, the side steps drop down. This is why we use bricks, just to stabilise it, just to make it a little bit easier when you undo the front bracket, so that way it's not going to drop on top of you when you get underneath. You can see now that I've removed the last bracket and it's sitting on the bricks, so that way it doesn't need to be held, it's going to just sit there till you remove it. Once I'm done removing it, I'm going to put the bolts that I took out back into the body because I'm not replacing the step. If you're putting a new step on, you could probably reuse the bolts and put a bit of Loctite on them so that way they don't come loose. Alternatively, what you can do is, if you don't want to use the bricks, leave the top 2 bolts in at the back and loosen them off, and then just slide the steps off on the hook. That's another way you can do it. I like to put the bricks there just as a safety measure, just in case anything happens. Remember to subscribe if you want to see how I'm going to repair this damage. Also, if you want to see the other great videos I have on my channel and the other videos I'm going to be making in the future. Give this video a like if you think it's an easy job and if it's pretty clear how to do it. And that's how it now looks without a side step. Do the same thing on the other side and you'll be right. Thanks for watching.